Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create purchase order on Shopify. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify account and navigate to your store's dashboard. On the left panel, click on Products, click on Purchase Orders, then click Create Purchase Order. In this new page, input in estimated arrival, which is when you will expect your inventory to arrive. Next, select a shipping carrier and then add a tracking number. Next, add the products that you want to order by clicking on Browse right here. This allows you to go through your existing inventory and select the products that need to be restocked. Check the box next to each item that you need to restock. Then click on Add down here. Down here in the additional details, you can add in a reference number, a note for the supplier, and some tags. Once you're done, click on Save as a Draft up here. And then once you're ready to actually order, click on Mark as Ordered up here. And that is how you can create purchase order on Shopify. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.